reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A connected container home refers to a residential structure created by joining two or more ISO shipping containers together to form a larger, cohesive living space. Unlike a single container tiny home, these structures use architectural techniques like stacking, side-by-side alignment, or bridging to break free from the narrow constraints of a standard 8-foot wide steel box. By cutting out interior walls and reinforcing the structure, builders can create wide open floor plans, multi-story layouts, and complex geometric shapes that look and feel like high-end custom homes. Essentially, it is modular Lego-style building on a grand, industrial scale. One of the primary benefits of connecting containers is the incredible flexibility in spatial design. You are no longer limited by the footprint of a single unit, allowing for traditional room distributions like separate master suites, large family kitchens, and expansive living areas. From a sustainability standpoint, using multiple upcycled containers significantly reduces the carbon footprint compared to traditional brick-and-mortar construction. Additionally, the modular nature of these homes offers a unique level of scalability. A homeowner can start with 2 containers and plug in more units as their family or budget grows. The inherent strength of the Corten steel also provides a durable, weather-resistant shell that, when properly connected and insulated, results in a home that can withstand extreme conditions better than many timber frame buildings. To make a connected container home look truly sophisticated, the key is to balance the industrial aesthetic with warm, organic textures. Utilizing high-quality exterior cladding, such as cedar with slats or composite panels, can soften the box look and help the home blend into its natural surroundings. Strategic use of large-scale glass, such as floor-to-ceiling sliding doors or window walls, is essential to break up the solid steel surfaces and flood the interior with light. Incorporating outdoor living elements like sprawling wooden decks, rooftop gardens, or cantilevered balconies can create a seamless flow between the containers and the yard. Finally, a cohesive paint scheme, whether it's a bold, matte black for a modern look or a clean, crisp white for a Mediterranean vibe, helps unify the different modules into a single, intentional architectural statement. Connected container homes shine best when they lean into specific architectural movements like industrial modernism, Japandi, or Scandinavian minimalism. The industrial modern style celebrates the raw steel of the containers, often pairing them with exposed concrete and black metal accents. For those seeking a softer touch, the Japandi style uses light-colored wood wraps and Zen-inspired landscaping to create a tranquil, spa-like exterior. Another popular approach is the L-shape or U-shaped courtyard layout, which connects the units around a central garden or pool, providing privacy and a luxury resort feel. By varying the heights and angles of the connections, you can even achieve a stacked geometric style that looks like a piece of modern art, proving that these steel boxes are far more versatile than they first appear. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best connected container homes ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one. One, the triple pod panoramic retreat. This design features a sophisticated T-shaped layout where 3 containers are connected around a massive central wooden deck. The black corrugated steel is beautifully offset by huge sliding glass doors and a second-story balcony that offers sweeping views. It's a perfect example of how elevating the modules on concrete piers can create a stunning, floating effect over a manicured lawn. 2. The forest cantilever masterpiece. Deep in the woods, this home uses a vertical connection strategy, stacking a container at a 90-degree angle over the ground floor to create a natural overhang. The dark charcoal exterior contrasts brilliantly with the warm orange glow of the wood finish ceilings and the expansive timber decking. A spiral staircase adds a touch of elegance to the multi-level outdoor living space. 3. The circular solar pavilion. This is a revolutionary take on connected containers, where multiple white units are arranged in a circular formation around a central glass-domed atrium. The glass roof segments bridge the gaps between the containers, creating a sun-drenched indoor-outdoor flow. It's a futuristic design that maximizes natural light while providing a protected, private interior courtyard. 4. The elevated industrial villa. Built on a high-stilt foundation, this home connects several containers to create a grand two-story residence with significant underhouse clearance. The facade features a mix of vertical steel ribbing and horizontal wood cladding, creating a textured, multi-dimensional look. The extensive railing systems and external staircases emphasize the home's modular, industrial chic identity. 5. The wide-span hillside workshop. This design utilizes a massive gabled roof to bridge multiple containers, creating a sheltered ground floor and a large upper-level terrace. The bright yellow container doors are kept as shutters, adding a pop of industrial color against the black siding. Large glass fronts on the lower level make the space feel incredibly open and connected to the gravel driveway and surrounding greenery. 6. The Zen Garden Modular Estate. Blending traditional Japanese aesthetics with modern modularity, this home connects containers using angled roof lines and bridge walkways. One specific container features a stunning koi fish mural, turning the industrial surface into a canvas for art. The surrounding rock gardens, stone paths, and bonsai trees prove that container homes can be peaceful and culturally rich. 7. The minimalist U-shaped courtyard. This sleek, blue-tone home connects 3 containers in a U-shape to create a private, central outdoor dining area. The symmetry of the large glass doors and the matching outdoor lighting creates a clean, professional look. It's an ideal layout for urban lots, providing a secluded sanctuary from the outside world through smart modular placement. 8. The agricultural luxury barn. By connecting a series of containers to a large central hangar or barn dominium style structure, this home achieves massive square footage. The dark vertical siding unifies the different sections, while a private lap pool and expansive green lawn highlight the luxury potential of container living. It's a masterclass in combining industrial modules with traditional farm-style silhouettes. 9. The modernist white box composition. This ultra-modern design stacks crisp white containers over a recessed, wood-clad ground floor. The use of a massive picture window on the lower level creates a sense of transparency, while the upper containers provide privacy and shade. The clean lines and minimalist landscaping make this feel less like a shipping container and more like a high-end architectural gallery. 10. The woodland modular cluster. Tucked into a forest clearing, this home uses a staggered stacking method to create multiple rooftop terraces. The mix of sage green and white containers allows the structure to blend into the trees while maintaining a bright, airy feel. The various blocks are connected at different depths, creating a playful, energetic facade that offers a different view from every angle. Connected container homes represent the perfect marriage of industrial strength and creative architectural freedom. As we've seen today, these structures are no longer just boxes. They are sophisticated, sustainable, and highly customizable homes that can fit any landscape. Whether you are looking for a minimalist retreat or a sprawling family estate, the ability to connect and stack these modules opens up a world of possibilities for the modern homeowner. If you enjoyed seeing these incredible connected container designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for your daily dose of architectural inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the future of modular living. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video.